this wee dam here. How you doing, buddy?
Not so bad.
How much is in your pack?
Too much.
Too much?
16 kilos, roughly.
Oh my god.
So, I say we're going to divvy something up. Times too light. So, as soon as we hit the hills, that's when the switch starts. Switch back.
This rain is just coming on and off all the time. It's only light showers, but as soon as it comes on, the temperature just drops. It goes really cold. But obviously it warmed up now and we've started walking. But I'm hoping it clears up. I really am hoping it clears up. Has been on the go for an hour and a half. We've covered just shy of 3.5 miles. Still on this high path. I think this goes in maybe for about 5 miles before you start the ascent up onto the Munro. Check that out for a wee cabin. Superb. What a view. This is only go for 2 hours 20 minutes. Just shy of 6 miles. I think that's us ready to start the ascent. That's a long walk in, very long walk in. Not bad, it's not an easy track, but still a long one. So we're heading up in this direction here. Just got to take 5 here, take some fluids on, get a bit of chocolate, and then start heading up. That's steep. That is very steep. Oh, oh. There's our first target, Creag Mhòr. We're on the go for 4 hours and we're still not at the summit of our first Munro. Long day. Check all the frogs out, man. Summit at Creag Mhòr. That was tough, by the way. That was very tough. That has taken us 4 hours and 45 minutes to get here. That's tough. Oh. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to get down after this Munro. We're going to get down into the glen between this and the second Munro, and we'll pitch up for the night, and then we'll catch Heasgarnich tomorrow. That's the plan. The plan was to do both Munros and get down the other side and camp, but that's taking us ages, man. Especially with these big packs on. A lot of effort. It takes a lot of effort. First one's down. Down off the summit, a bit breezy, a bit chilly at the summit, so we're now looking to find a pitch for tonight. The first thing I want to do once I've found my pitch is get a nice cold beer down my neck.
Yes.
Do you agree with that, sir?
Sounds good.
Yeah, we need it. That's us found our pitch for the night. Got to camp here. I've got this big rock for protection for the wind. It's a bit dusky, it's a wee bit boggy, but it's actually okay. All day for the night. check out this bad boy, I think it's ready. Oh, it's nice, it's hot. Wow. I've got a wee gin and tonic. Cheers. That's when you got my water for breakfast tomorrow. Had my dinner, really enjoyed it. Expedition booze, chicken tikka with rice. Definitely recommend it. Bit spicy. If you don't like spicy food, don't touch it. But if you like spicy food, it's ideal. It's absolutely Baltic. I can't believe how cold it is. I've got my water for breakfast tomorrow. I'm getting to that tent, I'm not coming back out. It's Baltic, bitterly cold. Oh, I think we're camping about 800 metre mark. There's our pitches for the night. There's Brian's tent. There's my tent there. How you doing in there, sir? How's your dinner?
Just about to start now.
Oh, nice.
Rice.
Nice.
I've got a nice hot water bottle now. Tomorrow, that becomes box like
Oh, he's there.
Aye.
He's there, he's out. He's out.
The chili and rice.
Lovely.
Hot water bottle.
Is that your end fish?
That's my end push. Good enough for everything else, sir. Good enough for this one. All good. There, tomorrow's target there, right behind target.
That's tomorrow's target. I was hoping we'd have had that done by now, but...
Oh, that was a killer, honestly.
Oh, that's...
Never ending false summits.
That was tough. That was tough. They should change that name to False Summit.
That was it. I know I've done some hard Munros in my days and that, but I can't think of anything harder than that to do.
Remember, it's early in the season.
It's early in the season, plus 16 kilos. But even, I reckon it's still a tough day, you know.
Right, I'm going to retire, mate.
After you had retired.
That's you.
No below.
Right, enjoy your night, mate.
Aye, enjoy your night. See you in the morning.
See you later, buddy. That's me, I'm getting into my scratcher. I can't wait to get in there. It's absolutely bitter out here. Oh, my old back's playing havoc and everything. Right. Oh, leave my bar there. Ooh. There you go. My tent's like a tramp's pocket. Yeah, that's me cozied up in for the night. Hopefully, if I need to go for the toilet, I've got a wee bottle there I can use, but hopefully I'm okay. So let's look at the most important thing you take on your camping trip. Let's have a look at the cargo bag. So here we have 2 packs of crisps, 3 cans of IPA, and 1 gin and tonic. We had 4 cans and another gin and tonic, but I think I'll go for a beer next. Yep. Because I ain't carrying that tomorrow. No danger of me carrying that tomorrow. I mean, my pack was only 11 kilo. I think Brian's was coming in at 16, so he must have been toiling up there because that was tough. It was a tough day. Nice. Cheers. I'm just going to show you some new additions I got to go along with my GoPro. I got myself a wee remote control. It's by a company called Tellison, and it's the T10 model. It works a treat. The reason for it is cut down how much footage you're taking. You can actually set it to go on and off, where in the past you would put the camera on, walk away back, now walk past and things like that. So cracking wee bit of kit. And also got it's another same company Tellison. It's a battery charger, and also it keeps your batteries in it, and you get this battery with it, and it worked just as good as the GoPro batteries. So I say, I think that cost 20 quid. I think that cost 15 or 18, I can't remember. But I ordered them for China and they were here within 2 weeks. But very well made.
Going to collect. He's Jake Cahill, and he lives by bounty law.
You don't ever bring him in alive, now do you, Jake? Not when there's 3 of them and 1 of me. What are you looking at, bounty killer? Looking at an ugly owl. Oh, you're looking good, baby.
Good morning. It's 20 past 6. Not a bad sleep, 1.5. Cold mainly. You feel the cold coming in, but not too bad. I'm going to get my breakfast on, start getting this kit away, then we're going to go up and do Beinn Heasgarnich. Wow, what a morning! Absolutely glorious. No wonder it was cold. There's a layer of ice on the tent. Oh, stunning, absolutely stunning. For breakfast I'm going to be having porridge oats, just one of the ones you add the water in it. I think it's got porridge oats with chocolate in it, a protein bar, and Old Faithful, my coffee. That should get me out of this Munro. It is Baltic. Oh, the sun's going to come up shortly. sensors are picked up, good to go. Leave no trace has been applied, and we are heading for that bad boy there. We're currently at the 680 metre mark, and I'm so glad we chose to camp up here. You see it better now. Actually see the wee raised bit with the rock, because we were going to come down here and camp down at the bottom, but it's all swampy. It is a pure bog, so we made the right decision there. There's Brian down there, just out the sun, just changing his layers. I think some layers off, it's starting to get a bit hot now. But so far so good. It's been a great trip. It's been a fantastic trip so far. I see it's not finished yet, still a good bit of work to put in. But it's been good. Creag Mhòr is tough, by the way. Me and Brian were talking last night about it, and it's probably one of my toughest I've done. I don't know if it was just still early in the season, or just the walking. It's on flat tarmac, but you're walking for like 6 miles before you kick a ball. And it's I found it tough. I found it really tough. I feel much better today. Glad I had that rest, get some food in me. Feel 100 times better than what I did last night. At one point I wasn't going to make any food. I was that knackered, but I'm so glad I did. So, wee tip, make food for yourself, you'll feel a lot better. Even if you can't be arsed doing it. There. I'll get all Brian to do it. A cracking view of Loch Line. Mirror calm it looks to. That's us up on the main ridge. Currently sitting at the 970 metre mark. That's the summit over here. So we're basically up onto the ridge along the summit. Doesn't look as if we're running too taxing from now on. So another wee steep bit just there. That should be the majority of the climb done. But I'm going to give you a 360. Check this out. That's us up on the main ridge, by the summit. just behind me there. So nothing too taxing. We're sitting about 1,026 metres, so not long to go now. The summit, Heasgarnich. That took us 2 hours and 20 minutes since we broke camp this morning. Stunning views. Stunning views. I'm normally talking about the Creag. I'm talking about the views today. So it's picked up a bit of Land Rover track. It's good to be off that moor, bog, featureless peat hags, not nice at all. It's good to be off. I can actually see our path where we have to go, so hopefully we'll win that sooner rather than later. This has made it down onto the main path. That's where we came from. That's the summit, Beinn Heasgarnich, up here where the snow line is. Pure bog, tussocky grass, everything up there. So glad to be off it. So we've got this road here back to the car. That's us back at the car. A wee mini adventure done. 2 days, wildcamp, 2 Munros. Tough couple of days. That section there we were 6 hours and we covered 10 miles. So I'm going to go get in the car, no beer, don't fancy a beer, wee can of Red Bull and head home. So if you managed to watch it this far, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.